Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to share YouTube link on Instagram story. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Instagram application. After that, click on add icon to add story from here. Then select a picture from here which you want to add in your story. So here I will select this picture. After that, click on stickers icon from here. Then you can see that the link sticker is available here. If you cannot find it here, then you can search in the search box for it by typing link. After that, just click on the link sticker from here. Now we have to add a link from here. So here I will add a YouTube video link. If you want to add YouTube link in your Instagram story, then go to YouTube application. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. After that, copy the link of the video which you want to add in your story. Then go back to the Instagram application. After that, here you just paste the link which you want to copy it from YouTube. Then click on done. Now you will be able to place this sticker anywhere on the story. And now if you want to add music to your story, then click on music icon from here. After that, select a music from here. Then click on done at the top right corner. After that, click on next arrow icon at the bottom right corner. Now, if you don't want to share your story in Facebook, then select sharing options by clicking on your story. After that, here you select don't share this time. Then click on share button at the bottom of the page. After that, click on done. Now your story has been shared. And now if someone click on the link sticker, then they can easily see your video which you want to add in your story. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.